Hello everyone and welcome to Matusia's kitchen. Today we are making Ukrainian crepes filled with cabbage and meat, a delicious combination of two traditional fillings in one recipe. As you might guess, we'll start by preparing the crepe batter. It should be smooth and light. With our proportions, you'll get about 16 crepes. First, whisk 4 eggs with salt and sugar. The eggs should be at room temperature. Gradually add the flour, followed by the lukewarm milk and water. Let's also add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We've tested this recipe many times, it always works. Once the batter is blended and lump-free, let it rest for 20 minutes. For the cabbage filling, finely shred half a head of white cabbage. Add salt and apple cider vinegar, then massage it gently with your hands to soften. Chop onion and grate a small carrot. Now we will saute both over low to medium heat for about 5 minutes and then stir in the cabbage. Let's season our cabbage with paprika and black pepper, mix well and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Now for the meat filling, we will saute onion, then add the ground meat, chicken, turkey, any meat you like, and cook until fully done. Don't forget to sprinkle with black pepper and salt. I recommend to blend the cooked meat and onions in a food processor just until the mixture becomes a paste, so you can spread the meat easily on your crepes. And I also like to add spring onions, fresh dill and parsley to the meat mixture. They add a nice layer of flavor. Now the cabbage and the meat fillings are ready and it's time to cook the crepes. Our batter has rested and looks perfect, smooth and just the right consistency. We'll pour a ladleful onto a preheated pan, cook for about 1 minute on one side, then flip and cook for another 30 seconds. We're using just 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, which is absolutely enough. And if you have a cast iron skillet, that's ideal for perfect golden crepes. We'll transfer our crepes to a plate and brush them with a bit of butter. And that is it. Now it's time to fill our crepes. The meat filling looks smooth and easy to spread. Roll up the filled crepes and cut them in half. the same with the cabbage filling. Spread, roll and slice. So we already have two types of crepes, with meat and with cabbage, but we will not stop here. Now we'll combine meat and cabbage fillings for a third extra delicious recipe. And the rest is pretty much the same. Fill, roll, cut and enjoy. With just two fillings, we've made 3 delicious kinds of crepes. Try them with a dollop of sour cream or plain yogurt, and you'll get a real taste of Ukraine. These crepes look amazing on the table and they taste even better. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking and stay tuned for more delicious recipes on our channel and website matuseskitchen.com.